everybody. I'd like to share one of my journals with you. This one is a nautical journal, or beach themed journal. It's got a ribbon closure, and the spine has a beaded tassel, homemade beaded tassel. There's a mermaid on the front with some shells. The journal's been got some metal corner to protect the corners. There's a tuck spot with some cards. Another tuck spot with some cards, for lots of spaces for journaling. A journaling spot there. Some nautical pages. A bit of a cheeky beach page there. There's a booklet inside which has castles in the sand on the front. It's an altered envelope. It's got lots of tags inside, and another little booklet and some more tags in there. Some altered paper clips with the journaling tag. Some octopus. Lots of tags there. Another tuck spot down at the bottom. Another tuck spot there with some more tags. There's another little tuck spot here, which has got a flip, and the tags tuck into it. And you can also open this up, and there's journaling space on there as well. I won't open it right out because I'll forget how to pop it back together. There we go. Some more tags and a tuck spot. Some coffee dyed paper. Lots more little cards there for you to write on the back. Got a vintage theme. Another tuck spot there with a card. Some more tuck spots. An old seaside shanty. Some maps. Vintage books. Another couple of journaling cards. Lots of journaling space, as you can see. Some beach sandals. More journaling cards. Those are the centre pages, and they've been finished with some charms. More cards there. More vintage pages. Journaling cards. Little tag there with some washi tape and a tuck spot. Another 2 journaling cards there with some shells, seahorses. Coffee dyed paper. And there's a bag in here. That's a daisy. For you to pop things in, you can open it up and there is a tag inside there. And coffee dyed paper. Postcards, beach style postcards. Some vintage pictures. Some more shells. More tuck spots, some cards. And a bulb clip with some tags on that I've got a dolphin and a whale on. There is another bulldog clip in the front. Hope you've enjoyed my journal, and if you need any information, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.